Hi, we're Hearty Art Painting Kits. My name's Tash. Here I am putting together one of the painting kits by hand that you can follow along with a YouTube tutorial by me, as with all of the painting kits. There's lots to choose from over at heartanddesign.org.uk, H-A-R-T, heart. And here I'm just popping in the acrylic paints into their pots. They're all labelled, so as I use them in the video, you'll know exactly which one to use. You get a full 12" by 12" canvas, 6 different brushes that you will only see me use in the video. There's no other brushes, plus some palettes there that we've put in, so you've got something to mix with. A very short instructional sheet, and also a QR code so that you can go straight to the video from there when you scan it into your phone. And of course, all of my social medias, please do follow them all. And here is just a tip: so use this image next to you whilst you're following along with my video, so you know what the final outcome is going to be. And of course, on the front of the box is everything that should be in there.